In global capital markets, U.S. equities have long remained one of the most liquid and structurally deep core markets, but information density does not equal clarity of judgment, and true opportunities are often hidden within structure and logic. NCM Financial was created based on this understanding as a professional platform focused on U.S. stock market analysis, built on data, driven by logic, and structured around a systematic analytical framework. NCM Financial does not chase emotions or amplify noise, but is committed to delivering verifiable, interpretable, and sustainable market insights, returning analysis to rationality and grounding decisions in evidence. It is not just an analytical tool, but a logical system for understanding the U.S. stock market, building insight with data and discovering opportunity through logic.